Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom hit the nail on the head, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to be absolutely right about something, or describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. The two guys sat in a life coaching presentation. Afterwards, they discussed how well it went. She hit the nail on the head when she mentioned how important routine is in everyone's day. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The young footballer was undecided as to which team to sign for, but when push came to shove, he chose wisely. I hit the nail on the head playing for this club. We are winning everything. The man tried for 2 hours to fix his car, but had no luck until his friend suggested it was a dead battery. Why didn't I think of that? You've hit the nail on the head. I'll get the battery replaced. The teenager was thrilled with the decorations for her birthday party. Whoever did the decorations for the party really hit the nail on the head. I love the theme. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The tech manager gave his opinion on a software problem. Sir, you hit the nail on the head with your suggestion. Once we did it, everything came back online. The manager arranged a meeting with one of his staff members. I wanted to call you in to let you know you hit the nail on the head when you said the company was lacking focus. It's admirable that you spoke up. The office staff were in a meeting. The manager addresses one of the staff about something she said. I think you've hit the nail on the head with your proposal. Let's take it a step further. Where did you hear the expression, hit the nail on the head? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.